Hello, and welcome to another Taylor Box Box Talks. Today, we have a super exciting project to discuss with you because our Taylor box is part of the actual product itself. What you see before you are Minio boxes. Minio is a new crowd-funded product that is meant to help you capture life's many moments. Each box comes with a collection of cards separated by placeholders in a variety of colors thematically so that you can organize your little special moments based on theme. Minio encourages people to have these boxes in their homes and at special events to capture special notes, thoughts, or memories from friends, family, and loved ones. Together, it is meant as a keepsake for you to reflect on later. Each Minio box comes with a selection of customizable belly bands that are two-sided and a series of customizable inserts to organize and separate your various mini moments that you're going to add to your Minio box. The box itself is considered a tray within a tray. Some might also call this a tray in a slipcase. The outer tray is distinctive using their two thumb cuts for ease of opening. The Minio box comes in both black and white. Both boxes are wrapped in an uncoated embossed textured cover material. The black box is made using solid black chip. The black box was made using solid black chip, while the white box was made using solid bleached sulfate board, or SBS. This was a design choice made intentionally with the knowledge that the thumb cuts would expose the underlying substrate. Both the black and the white box, as you can see, appear to be a solid color all the way through. Had they gone with a solid chip board, you would have seen a brown edge on both thumb cuts. The base tray has an angled edge. This makes it easier both to remove the contents of the box and also see the various dividers and what they say. The front side of the base tray has a hand-turned framed window. This is so that you can customize the label of your Minio box and it's visible from the outside. As you can see here, pull that one out, turn it around, and now I have a quote showing. The Minio box also has a small folded board insert designed to hold a small pencil so that when you display your Minio box, it's nice and easy for your users to pull the pencil out, write their note, and place it in the proper space. If you are looking for a rigid premium turned edge packaging partner, or you would like to learn more about Minio boxes, contact us today. Thanks for coming by.